Hello and welcome to today's Padlet board. We will be working with several different websites to explore and discover new tools and resources. The first website we will explore is FunBrain. Within this website, you can work on many activities such as games, reading, and math. Play around on this website and see what new information you can learn. Select a topic from the tabs across the top of the page. There are more options on a full screen. The next website comes from the Utah Education Network. There are many topics to choose from as you scroll down the web page. Click on a box to get started with ABCs, reading, writing, art and music, and many more. Next is Shepherd Software, where you can choose from a variety of games in math, geography, animals, and more. This website contains ads, so be sure not to click to the left or right of the game on your screen. GameStar Mechanic lets you play games, but you will need to log in, so see me for the login information. You can also create games on this website, so explore creating a game of your own. PBS Kids has numerous games to play beyond the 6 displayed on the opening screen. Use the blue arrows to the left and right to explore more gaming options. Scroll down to see a variety of other games, such as teamwork, feelings, and adventure games. There is also a menu on the right for choosing other topics and more games.
Previous.
Ziggity Zoom has interactive coloring pages along with story games for many titles. Scroll down to see many choices for interactive stories and different book options. Learning Games for Kids websites. You can use games to practice typing skills and learn to become an efficient keyboarder. Scroll down to see all the available games for typing practice. At Starfall, there are many different games to play on subjects such as math, reading, songs, and seasonal holidays. Be sure to go to the second grade activities page to begin. Select from any icons on that page. Prongo is a website that has multiple games for math practice. Be sure you are on the page for 6 to 9-year-olds. There are banner ads across the top of the page, so scroll down to view all the gaming options. You will use the information you learn through these websites to explore on your own as you work with technology during your school career. When your time is up, we will have a discussion question to see what you have learned about exploring, discovering, and gaining new experiences.